Okay, we're actually going to set up this Starlink Mini mount. I've got another unboxing video for this little magnetic mount, but we've actually got the Starlink Mini ready to go now. And so we're going to look at how this actually goes together. And here's the Starlink Mini. And you can see that it's got this little piece. And this is the actual part that came with the magnetic mount. So my guess is that we know that the mount is going to go in here like this, and this little piece, complicated little thing, looks pretty tall. Got a jillion screws in there with it. Okay, so I am assuming that that goes in there like so. And then this piece these are the feet. They go on the four corners. And they're going to use some of these screws, I'm sure. Somehow, though, definitely don't get the impression that that is designed to come out. So as far as the link that came with the Starlink, this came with the Starlink, this came with the mounting kit. You can see that they have a similar design. So I'm pretty sure that this is right. You can see that that looks like it would fit right in there. And my guess is that this goes in these things. So this piece, yeah, this piece here needs to come out. So I have to figure out how to get this piece out, and then this will actually slide in there just like that, and that will give me what I need to be able to get this mount on there. So let me figure out how to get this piece out, and then I will be back. Okay, so I think I got this out. So basically you just lift that up, and then there are a couple little clips right here. One there and one there, and you lift that up, and then you literally just pull out on it, and it's kind of a pain to get, but it will come out. And when it comes out, it actually comes out pretty easily. So just like that. So this part came with the Starlink. This is the part that has come with the mount. So I should be able to squish that in there just like that. Okay. So now you can see that we've got a bit of an angle there. I don't really want to have an angle quite like that, but that's what we've got. So if I unscrew that all the way, I'm going to go ahead and undo that again, and then screw that on there like that. And we don't probably have enough to get that wing nut on there. Well, I guess I kind of do. So just a little bit. there we have that. put that on. Goes on just like so. We screw that in. And we have that there. So, and to put these legs on, these are magnetic mounts that, in theory, stick to whatever we need them to stick to. And they gave us more feet than we needed, or more screws than we needed. I'm not going to screw them down super tight, but just so that you can get the idea. For exactly how that works. It looks like this is going to stick up several inches above the metal surface that you attach these magnetic feet to. I was kind of hoping that it wouldn't stick up very far, but that is what it is. And so then if you needed that to sit flat, it spins, interesting. So, guess it's a good thing that it spins, I don't know. So right now it's, oh, it looks like that butterfly nut that you just heard just kind of came off. But if we lay that perfectly flat, you're about like so, and from the ground you're just a hair over 5 inches high. And so that's essentially what it would look like whenever you have it mounted on the mount. And then you can just literally put this on top of your van and it should be there. I figured out how to actually get this super tight, but that is the general idea on exactly how you mount this thing. And it's possible that I have this, no, that screw has to be where it is. And so I think I've got it right, but I just need to get this in here. Well, yeah, there you go. So if you just spin that a little bit more, you can actually get it to tighten up the way you want. And then that butterfly nut you don't really need for that. There you go. That's what it will look like, and that is the Starlink Mini mount. And you can see the way it is right now. The magnetic feet extend past this side of the Mini by a little bit. But as far as this goes, they're no wider than the Mini. The butterfly nut just came out. But that's the setup. And once these are actually screwed down tight, that should take care of that. And then this should be ready to go. If we look at some other measurements, if we look at how far apart these magnetic feet are, from center of the magnetic foot to center of the magnetic foot, it's 6.5 inches in this direction, and in this direction it is 8 inches. And so that's kind of what you're looking at. So yeah, 6.5 and right at 8 inches. And so that's what you would need. And each magnetic foot itself is just a hair over 2.5 inches is the diameter. And that's the setup. So if you like this, be sure to subscribe, and you can watch additional videos on the van installation of everything else.